I think that we can have as many identifiers, as many unique identifiers as we want. But at the end, it's about properties. Those properties are defined in standards. And those standards are closed book that cannot be even shared on the internet. That's what you read on the first page of every standard. Don't share it on internet. Which to standardize something, it's kind of annoying that you want to agree on a common dictionary and you cannot share or show the dictionary to anyone.
Maybe just comment on that. Yeah, I agree. But also, if a company, there is a way. Again, it's looking at benefit. If company is spending 4-5 million on a box PIM system and can't afford to pay 25 euros for a standard, then there is a problem. I think that's a fundamental issue. There is also needs to be taken into consideration that I agree with Joseph, because how is it that I can buy the new EN ISO 23386 for 25 euros in English version from Estonia and from certain other standardization organization, which I don't want to name, 495 euros. So how is that possible? I agree that's an issue, but there should be a minimum, like 25 euros is because they just basically, the Estonian standardization organization is just presenting the minimum cost, which I understand. That's because the SEN, we as experts at the SEN level, we're not being paid. It's just companies are investing. So there needs to be some recovery for printing and translating, but it needs to be accessible, I agree. But there should be something going on around this pricing. Why one standardization organization charging 200 euros, another one charging 25 euros. On top of that, you get passes. On top of that, you get different green guide ratings. On top of that, you get identifiers. And obviously, if you are a manufacturer, you end up paying just for badges, basically, isn't it? And that's wrong. So, yeah, I agree with Joseph.
In Czech Republic is that we identify 4,000 standards that are quoted in our laws. And we made another law saying that these 4,000 standards have to be freely available. Because they are simply like a street sign, which you have to see in order to drive the correct velocity. Speed.